Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we re-diving into a topic that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction movie, but it's happening right now in labs around the world. Scientists have created something that looks and acts remarkably like a human embryo. But here's the kicker. They did it without a sperm, an egg, or even a womb. So how is this possible? Researchers are using what are called stem cells. These are like the body's master cells, capable of becoming any type of cell. By carefully guiding these stem cells in a petri dish with a specific cocktail of chemicals and signals, scientists can coax them to self-organize. They form structures that mimic the key stages of early human development, just days after fertilization would normally occur. These are called embryo models, or sometimes embryoids. Now, let's be super clear. These are not actual human embryos. They can't develop into a baby. In fact, current research is strictly limited, and these models are only allowed to develop for a couple of weeks. The whole point isn't to create life in a lab, but to open a brand new window into the very first moments of our existence. This could be revolutionary for understanding why miscarriages happen, how birth defects form, and even for improving IVF success rates. It's a way to study a process that has always been a complete black box, without using actual human embryos from fertility clinics. But as you can probably guess, this breakthrough brings up some massive ethical questions. How close to a real embryo is too close? As these models become more and more sophisticated, where do we draw the line? Current guidelines, like the 14-day rule for embryo research, were created long before anyone imagined something like this was possible. Now, scientists, ethicists, and policymakers are scrambling to figure out how to navigate this new territory responsibly. It's a conversation we all need to be a part of. We're talking about technology that could fundamentally change our understanding of human life. It forces us to ask deep questions about what it means to be human and how we should responsibly wield such powerful scientific tools. What are your thoughts on this? It's a complex issue with no easy answers, so I'd love to hear your perspective in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this topic as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science that is shaping our future. Here in the next video.